This is Aurora Pop, and we're gonna make bouncing eggs. And you need 4 ingredients for this science experiment. Vinegar, a glass, kinetics. These are the 3 important ingredients. You don't really need food coloring. I'm just gonna use it to make it pretty. You can use blue, pink, any color you want, just it has to be food coloring. So I'm gonna slide all these over here and insert the glass. So first we're gonna pour the vinegar in. It's just super hard to do that. Like I'm gonna drop the entire bottle. Give me a thumbs up when I'm supposed to do it. Well, I'm gonna put more in there because it's not enough. We need a lot. We're not gonna have it to the top because you don't need it to the top. We're probably gonna just put it in the middle so an actual egg can fit in there. So I don't think an egg can actually fit in there yet. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now we're just gonna pop the lid back on. Okay, now I think we're gonna add the food dye. Yep, we're gonna add the food dye. I like blue the best, and I might do pink, I don't know. So many good choices. I like these 2 the best. The eggs will decide. They want blue, I'm gonna choose blue. I don't think you need that many drops. I think you only need about 3 maybe. So it's 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it mixed by itself. Why do you mix them by yourself? You need me to mix it. Oh my gosh, this is hard to mix. It's super thick. It like spins itself. It goes like whoosh. You can barely even spin it yourself. Okay, we're just gonna mix that. I think that's about enough mixing because the blue color, I wanted it a little bit lighter, but probably it's gonna be lighter on the eggs. I hope you do not break at the bottom. Gosh, that scared me a lot. It looks like a little moon. Look at that. It looks like a little moon. It is dissolving. You can see that fuzz. It's like soda. See the soda stuff? It looks like soda, doesn't it? I think we can add another one. We're just going to move this to the side. Oh, wow. There's bubbles actually on the egg. That looks so cool. Pour the vinegar in. So hard. Why are you hard, vinegar? I feel like we're doing Easter eggs. But 1, 2, 3. Did you see that? It looked like little rings. I'm gonna use this spoon. Nixie. That looks like red. That is not pink. You lied. That's not pink. You lied, packaging. That actually is orange. It looks like orange. Ugh. Wait, I turned lighter, so it's probably gonna turn to pink. No, I just forgot something. It's gonna like fill up to the side after I drop the egg in. Oh no. It smells terrible. Also, my vitamins taste like vinegar, so do you ever feel like something tastes like it smells like it tastes like the thing it smells like? Well, these have to sit for 1 to 3 days. My hypothesis, I think that was right, maybe, I don't know. My hypothesis is these will turn bouncy because we have done this one time before just to see what it would do. Kind of looks like a disco ball. It kind of like looks like a blue disco ball, doesn't it? Disco ball, disco ball. They're both disco balls now, except for this one. Cool. Also, I need to tell you something. There's gonna be growing stuff out of there. There's gonna be like blue, like weird stuff. And like you can peel it off and it feels so satisfying. like it turned into a marker.
It's lifting.
Wait, how is it lifting? It's not even been a day yet. How did it lift? How do you lift? It lifts when it's ready, right? Well, when it also lifts,
I think it kind of just goes up and down.
that's cool. That's like science. We're not doing anything. This is not special effects. They all grew foam, like I said, and it feels like jelly. Last time it didn't feel like jelly. We made another one that is purple, that has different colors, dark blue, purple, and light blue. This one got bigger, and we found out it was cracked. Like this, and if you tap it with a pencil, you can probably hear if it's done or not. Oh guys, I tapped it too hard and it popped open. I tapped the crack, it popped open, and that's cool. It's just pushing out the egg yolk and drops to the bottom if your egg cracks open. And then there's this weird,
Alright.
it looks like a balloon. I'm gonna touch it. Ew, oh my gosh. Now we're gonna tap this one softly. Part of it's rubber, part of it's not. I can feel that. Now we're gonna tap this one. That didn't make any sound. That's probably ready right now if it didn't make any sound. But like if it feels squishy when you're tapping it, if you like can feel, I can feel it squishy. So tap it with your fingernail if you have fingernails. I think we're gonna give it one more day and check tomorrow. I think I might have accidentally cracked this one too. That was an accident. We're gonna leave all of these and see what happens. Our eggs have been in the vinegar 2 days and I think they're ready. Let's just take this pink one out because this is the one that turned out really good. Oh my gosh. This is what it used to be. Hard. This is what it is now. Bouncy. The pink bag is definitely bigger than this one. Boop, boop, boop. Oh my gosh, it's like a balloon. It's like a balloon. It's like a water balloon.
That's so weird.
And now let's mix our eggs together.
Gotta open the scissors real wide and then, yep, there it goes.
This is green. His is green. And yours is red. No, mine isn't red. Yours is green. Wait, green eggs and ham. Try to do this at home, not eat the eggs, because that's disgusting. Dion's vinegar scrambled eggs. Delicious. It's so fun, and if you hit it hard enough, I bet it could splatter. And you wouldn't even have to cut it open to see what it would do. So you can play with your egg, you can bounce your egg. For some reason, I want to throw this one in there too, but I'm not. And subscribe to my channel and give this video a big fat thumbs up.